up, Fly Crew? I'm coming at you with another video, and then today's video is going to be a vlog, and we're going to be taking my car, well, we're going to be towing my car to Dodge because my freaking ignition went out, y'all. My ignition went out. I literally just got this car painted. Me and my sister was driving it. We got back home and we was going to drive it again, but when we tried to drive it again, my car wouldn't start. And all my power is just staying on. So we had to freaking take the cable off the battery and all type of stuff. Like, it's been crazy, y'all. And I ain't been able to capture it. But I'm finna capture it for y'all now because this is crazy. I literally just got this car back. And I ain't even really been able to drive it for real. Because all this stuff going on. So when I at least try to drive it a little bit, this happened. Like, what the heck? Come on now. Come on now. That's crazy. But at least I can get it fixed. That's what I'm happy about. But let's see how long they gonna try to keep my car, because man, this is crazy. Before we get into this video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're not missing an upload. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, bro. Get my car towed. Alright, y'all, so we just dropped off my car, man. For one, they didn't even tell me how long they was gonna have it. For two, they want to do a diagnostic check just to make sure that it is the ignition and the ignition is the problem. So yeah, we're gonna see. I'm honestly just ready to have my car, even though I can't really drive it. Cause the fact that he didn't even tell me how long that they was gonna have it, or like I estimated how long they gonna have it. This is crazy. This is really crazy. And I gave him some extra keys. Cause I need some extra keys programmed. Cause right now I only got one key, and that ain't really gonna work. So yeah, hopefully it is just the ignition, and the ignition is the problem, because man, it's always something with this car. I love this car, but it's honestly always something. Like, I'm always having to fix something with this car, but I guess that's what comes with having a car. Really, I'm ready for all this stuff to be over with, man, because this is too much. I don't even want to go outside. Like, yeah, I got my mask. I be not trying to go outside. I don't be trying to be around nobody. None of that, cause it's too much. This is too much. Everything just need to go back to normal, and don't be nothing going on. And I don't even know if I told y'all, but my freaking sister car, her Dodge, is at the dealership too, getting fixed. Like, bro, we just down 2 cars. We was down 3. But now we down 2. Like, come on now. Alright, y'all, I've been home for a minute. I had to get up out of them clothes because I need to wash them because I ain't playing no games. But they just called and said it's not just one part of my ignition. It's like my whole ignition. Like, every part of my ignition. Because I know some cars, well, every car is different. It's different parts to my ignition. So it's not just one part. It's like the whole ignition. Every part of my ignition is like messed up, and I have no clue how the heck that happened at all. Not even a little bit. I have no clue. But he said that, you know, wear and tear, it happens over time, because I honestly thought it was like something I did or something. I'm just happy they found the problem and it's getting fixed right now as we speak. He said I will have my car back tomorrow. So I'm really happy about that. I ain't gotta be without my car for long, even though I don't drive it. I can't drive it because of all this stuff going on. But let me tell y'all, so we had to have AAA tow it, right? And my sister did it on the app to tell them like where to go and to come here to pick up the car and take it to the Dodge dealership and all that stuff. So she did it on the app. 2 hours later, they still ain't said nothing to none of us. They ain't said nothing. We like, what the heck going on? Like, it don't even take this long. And they told us it was going to be 20 minutes for them to even find a driver. So we're like, okay. But 2 hours later, and we don't hear anything. Like, y'all not telling us she'll find the driver or nothing. We're like, what the heck? So my sister called, like actually called, and I used the app. She called and she explained the situation. Like, I don't know what the heck was going on, but the lady had to close that session and open another one. And she told us that it was going to be 72 minutes for them to get to my house to pick up my car and take it to the Dodge dealer. Tell me why, as soon as we got off the phone, a driver was pulling up outside of my house. And they told my mom that it was going to be 15 minutes and they was en route. What the heck? You told my sister 72 minutes, the lady. And then you text my mom 15 minutes and we're en route. He just pulls up, like, right after. Come on now. I'm not even gonna lie. I would rather have this done by the certified Dodge dealer anyway, because this is nothing to play with. Like, this is how I start my car. In my opinion, I just wouldn't go nowhere else. Like, I understand people, you know, get diagnostic checks and they see what's wrong with their car, then they take it to somebody else to have them fix it. Like, I didn't did that before, but this is something like, this is something that I feel like a dealership, a certified dealership should do. Cause you take it to somebody else and they mess up your ignition, your whole ignition, it's over with. It's over with. Like, that's big. Jojo, who is that, Joe?
PJ Masks.
Yeah, PJ Masks. Hey, you got the PJ Masks helmet. Come on, Joe. Yeah. Hey, so how long did you park?
I can get mine back to Thursday.
Thursday this week?
Go away.
Man, that ain't bad though.
$2,246.86.
I ain't
The
paying
fuck
that.
is going on?
It's the Dodge dealer. Of course they gonna charge me. Mama, what are you doing? You was literally just riding your size right here. Okay. All right. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ma, you almost fell on both of them. What the heck? Okay, all right. All right. Look at this. What is going on? Oh my God. Jojo want the scooter back. He want his scooter back.
Go.
What you doing, Jojo?
I didn't play.
You playing?
Isaiah.
What you playing?
Yeah.
You playing Jenga?
Yeah.
Why you setting it up like that though?
Yeah.
Look,
Oh.
that's how you do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You done?
Oh yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm playing GTA.
What you doing playing Grand Theft Auto, man? What you know about Grand Theft Auto? You don't know nothing about Grand Theft Auto.
For almost 3 years. What are you talking about?
What?
3 years.
And his eyes look like that cause his allergies tripping. You took your allergy medicine? Why?
I don't know.
You gotta take your allergy medicine, man. Okay? Now what you doing?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You ain't doing no missions or nothing?
I don't like doing missions. Missions are boring.
Missions is not boring. Missions is the best part of the game.
No.
What are you talking about?
Oh.
Why would you do that?
I'm finna get that car. Ooh.
What car? That's an Audi. Audi R8 to be exact.
And I drive pretty bad.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go to the beach.
To the beach.
That's the best part of the game.
Oh my god. That's only place you go, my guy.
No.
Yes, it
Hey,
is.
he's missing my Audi R8.
Ah, now you want to say the name of it.
Him right there just messed up
Seriously?
his car. That's what you get. I shot his wheel.
Why'd you do that?
That's what he get. He messed up my car and messed up his car.
So you gonna take somebody else's car?
Yeah.
Again?
I got a lot of money.
What you mean you got a lot of money?
I got $2,000.
If you got a lot of money, why you taking people's cars then?
Cause I don't want to spend it.
Oh, so you a cheap baller.
Well, the only reason to why is I let other do missions to get money and I rob stores.
Okay. You just admitted on camera that you over.
On GTA. Don't call the cops on me. I'm just 7. Anyways. Wait.
So what you know about robbing people? You 7 years old, man.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you. Look
Oh
at
my
this baby.
God.
Look at this baby.
I was over there in real life.
Who was at the beach?
Yeah, I was at the beach in real life.
I want to go back with you. I want to see GTA.
In real life?
Yeah.
We supposed to be going to Disneyland. So
For my birthday.
yeah, so I don't know, it depends. If all this stuff not still going on and we still be able to go, then you gonna go.
Oh, 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 ah, ooh.
You hear me?
Yes, I do.
Dang, boy. Sitting there
Look at
falling with Michael.
Look at that car over there, and I just jumped out of
I was there in real life too.
there.
Yeah.
Could you go inside of it?
Yeah. All this stuff on this game is based on real life. You didn't know that? Yeah. That's LA in real life. You know that, right?
Want to see something funny?
What?
Show the camera to the TV.
Okay, alright. Alright, you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you'll not miss when I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, Fly Crew.